Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll talk about a software update failure and how to fix this problem. Let's start the video. First of all, open Settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and make sure your internet connection is working properly. After this, go back, tap on General, and tap on VPN and Device Management. Here, check if the VPN is connected. Turn off the VPN. Go back, scroll down, tap on Privacy and Security, then tap on Location Services and always disable location. Go back and tap on Screen Time, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions, and always disable this. After this, go back and restart your mobile phone and check. Hopefully, your problem will be solved. If your problem is not solved, open Settings again, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, and delete iOS 26 and reinstall. Try to reinstall. After this, if your problem is not solved, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Erase All Content and Settings, tap on Continue, and erase all content. Hopefully, your problem will be solved. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.